Hello. Welcome to Online Opportunities 101. If this is your first time coming on this channel, we bring you work from home opportunities here. We also bring you online money making opportunities using your phones or your computers. Yeah, so basically that's what we do on this channel. So please go ahead to join our one big family. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. Also turn on your notification bells so you don't get to miss any of our videos. And without wasting much of your time, let's delve right into today's job lead. So today's job lead is coming from a company called Wayfair. It's an American e-commerce company based in Boston, Massachusetts, and they sell furniture and home goods online. They've been in existence since 2002, and currently they offer 14 million items from more than 11,000 global suppliers. They have offices and warehouses throughout the United States, in Canada, Germany, Ireland, and United Kingdom. So this is a very well-known, reputable company, and for today's job lead, they're looking for a customer service representative. Actually, the position is for customer service representative, and this is a remote job position. But then it's only for those who are based in the United States. So yeah, this one is for people who are residents in the United States. So for the job description of the customer service representative on at Wayfair, they need you to know that you'll be demonstrating reliability because attendance and commitment to being present for your full shift each day is crucial because this will help them ensure they are ready and available to help their customers when they need them most. Then also they need you to know that you will be handling a high volume of contacts. You will handle an estimated 50 to 60 phone calls per shift because theirs is a fast-paced environment and they are highly structured. Also, you'll be meeting the high performance bar. You will work to exceed customer satisfaction, excel in meeting customer service efficiency metrics and other responsibilities as assigned. You'll be engaging customers. You'll need the passion for people. You'll be the voice of Wayfair and you work to build a relationship with customers who contact them by inbound phone call, chats, and emails. So if you're someone who doesn't like, phone call jobs, I'm sorry, this one may not be for you because this job involves being on the phone. It will also involve chats and emails. Your job description will include listening actively and showing empathy, and also you'll be able to de-escalate customer concerns because most of their customers contact them because they've had a. So what are the requirements? Please note that the schedules are limited and based on a first served basis, and some options may not be available. All available schedules will be confirmed by your recruiter. Also, Wayfair has assistance for individuals with disabilities, and as part of this commitment, they will make reasonable accommodations to the known physical or mental limitations of qualified individuals with disabilities, unless doing so would impose an undue hardship on business operations. So if you require a reasonable accommodation to participate in the job application or interview process, please let them know by completing their accommodations for applicants form. I'll be leaving the link to this job application in the description box. Go ahead to apply if this job is or if this. As always, thank you for watching.